All right, guys, so we are here in Studio City, and this is quite an interesting filming location, is it not, Greg?
Did they actually film here, I wonder?
I don't know. Maybe. Outside establishing shot. Okay.
Yeah, well,
They
nothing.
remodeled the entire interior to be the same as the house from the show.
Got you. Okay. So this was the established Brady house. If you guys have ever seen the Brady Bunch, maybe you have. So this is wild. I didn't even plan on this trip, coming and knowing that I was going to be filming the Brady Bunch house. This is insane, man. This is my childhood, right here. This is amazing, though. The Brady Bunch house. We are gonna go inside, guys. So the exterior was used, but the inside not used for the show, but they have recreated it and made it look amazing, and we are gonna check it out. Unbelievable. All right, this place is already mind-boggling. I mean, look at this kitchen. This is insane. This is like the perfect colors, the perfect everything. The amount of, detail that they've put in into making this look exactly like the Brady house is just insane. Holy cow, man. Mind-blowing. And then we got Scott on tape over here.
Right. What's up, man? And I already said, did I already say about visit the Brady Experience?
No, but I'd love you to, because I couldn't remember everything that you said.
If you're looking for opportunities to visit this house, it is a private home. It is not available for tourists, but you can visit thebradyexperience.com to find out more information about upcoming events and things like that for charity. Something like that. BradyExperience.com.
BradyExperience.com, guys.
And I don't live here. I don't own the house. I'm just friends with the owner. That's why. Drew is here.
Yes.
Who I've met before, and great. And I just want to say, because a lot of people write to me because I did a video that was very popular. I think
that is yours. That is yours. Right?
Okay. But yeah, thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, man. Yeah. Scott so kindly allowed us to come in here. I feel like I am stepping back in time. This is, I don't even know what to say, man. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Look at this. Like, things like this, man. Look at that. What do you got? November 9th, 1973. 60 cents for that. Look at the color schematics back, like during the Brady Bunch days. I love it. I gotta say, I love it. Like this, look at this clock. Look at that clock. And the TV. Look at this old TV. I love it. This is fantastic. And Alice is here, just so you guys know. She's taking care of everything, all the needs for us. And here is the iconic stairs, and we will be taking a little trip up there to, Bobby's room and Marcia and everything. And here, this is the part that just blows my mind, is the entrance. I don't know why I always remember this from the show. It's just, it's so insanely cool. I'm absolutely geeking out right now. Man, and now I'm gonna, after we edit this video, I'm gonna have to go and watch some Brady Bunch. I really am. And look at this TV. I had a TV somewhat similar to this. It was a Curtis Mathis, I believe. I don't know what this one is. It didn't have like the little legs on the bottom. It was just flat on the ground. But this brings me all the way back. Just crazy. Like, look at the couch. I love the color. And then you get the phone. Got to do it. Oh, yeah. Just the greatest. That's the second rotary phone that I've used on this trip. Oh, and look. We got the Brady's, kids' family portrait there. I feel like there is no detail that's like gone, like overlooked. Look at this. I'm gonna take so many pictures in here. So over here is gonna be Mike's den. Look at this. Oh yeah. This is where Mike comes, you know, and has his adult beverage. Maybe he has a cigar. I don't know. I can't remember if he, you know, was like at that time having a stogie or something. But I hope you guys are enjoying this because I'm kind of geeking out right now. This is wild. This is absolutely wild. We got some blueprints over here. That is crazy cool. And then look, is this the model? That's not their model house. I'm not sure what this is. Forgive me. Maybe you guys know. Maybe this is it something from the show, potentially? I can't remember. All I know is this. I feel like I'm on a movie set. It does. It absolutely feels like a movie set. Outstanding. All right, now we are in Alice's bedroom. Of course, she has some cleaning things. Look at this, you know. Alice was a simple person, you know, just needing a simple bed to live here at the Brady's, you know. This is her bedroom. Oh, she's got her, you know, the iconic Alice decor while she's, you know, doing her jobly duty. Hey, everybody in the mirror. I love how you got the pictures on there, all the boys. Alice having a great time. This is just, and I'm gonna say this is awesome probably about 1,000,000 times because it just is. This is crazy. I did not expect to be doing what I'm doing right now. What I'm doing right now. It's crazy. And we've got Alice's shoes here. She's got some Keds. Loving that. And here we go, up the iconic stairs. Absolutely iconic. Oh yeah, this is great. So this is, I believe, Bobby, or no, that's locked. So that's not the room. Here we go. This is what we need here. Oh my goodness. Look at this. You got Marcia, Jan Brady, and I forget the other one's name. I'm so bad. I'm so sorry, guys. But look at this. Now I gotta rewatch. I really do gotta rewatch the Brady Bunch. Because it's been quite some time, not gonna lie. It's been quite some time since I've actually watched the Brady Bunch. Look at the bathroom. Oh, yeah. I remember this wallpaper. Look at this. I just want to know how long it took them to recreate the house. I really do, because this is outstanding. I'm blown away. What do we got here? Dear Bobby, here are the 256 packages of gum you won in our pool game. Good chewing. All the cool photos they have. Oh, the old school skates. This is crazy, man. Hey, look, it's outstanding. An outstanding citizens award to Peter Brady. This really is such a trip. Like, I feel like I'm in a real house, but at the same time, not in a real house. It feels like very movie set-esque. Really does. And now we're gonna go down to Greg's basement room. I guess when he moved into the basement. See, this would be my space. I mean, I don't blame Greg, not at all.
He was actually in I think it was the loft.
Was it the? Oh, this is.
It's in the basement here.
Got you. Okay, thank you. So this, obviously, because of the way the house is set up, so this is supposed to be the loft. Got you. Look at this, man. This is wild, and I love. Oh, see, I want some of these in my house. I love this. The 70s beads. Jeez, oh man. Just beautifully done. Beautifully done. And I hope some of you possibly get a chance to check this out because it's awesome. Now we're gonna head upstairs to see the master bedroom. Let's check this out. And it really is like that 70s colors. Those 70s colors, there's something about it. It's kind of like in the 90s, there's a lot of neon, and that's very, you know, you can pick it out right away. You know, it's very like 90s for that neon green. And with the 70s, it had that like, you know, that olive green. They were like muted colors almost. And I like it. I definitely like it. So many details. Look at this bathroom here. Oh, look at that. 15 cents off. Caress body bar with bath oil. Man. So cool. That was insanely cool, guys. I was a little geeked out, and it's been so long that I'm like, I was trying to remember all of the rooms and what it looked like. And of course, like the kitchen and like the dining room and stuff, that was very, very like, I knew what that was instantly. But now I really do. I got to rewatch the Brady Bunch, and yeah, what a wild day it's been so far. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. I really do. So we are back at the hotel. That is going to end our video for today. I'm bushed. I'm exhausted. What a fun time. Man, we had a lot going on today. What a second day. Absolute success. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on the video. But anyway, all right, guys. Well, I'm going to get some rest. Till we see you next time, remember, only one way to live. It's in the moment.